All is well. The important job is marking the point. Always everyone has to do. After marking, once more have to check with the scientific. Traditional treated as a one person, scientific treated as a second person. So both opinion we have to take. I'm doing all the point like that only. Rig came to the site after all risk. Setting the rig particular exact point that also important. That have to check with myself. That also a main job. Drilling I'm doing myself. After setting,
Super. Side bus,
put
போதும்
the rod. Once more have to
Alright,
check
super.
any changes there. We have to do that. Correct point. Then only
ನಿಕಲ್
the marking rod has to remove.
ಒಂದು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ
Come to the
ಒಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಓಡೋದಲ್ಲ
puja section. That also we have to do. This is I given previously 2 days before live point so many videos. All together I'm giving now one video. My humble request, try to subscribe this channel. If you already subscribed, try to share others.
நீ விட்டுருமா அவர்
Let them
பார்த்துட்டு
see others.
ஏங்க அது இது ராடு மேல விடுங்க மேல
This is the
போட்டுருங்க
work of borewell drilling.
இல்ல சிவனுக்கு பண்ற மாதிரி அப்படியே காலி பண்ணுங்க பரவாயில்ல
Video. Setting the rod nearby. First they will do with the clay bit.
ஒரு பைப் மட்டும் அளந்து காமிச்சுறாங்க சார் அதெல்லாம் கம்மியா இருக்கும் அதெல்லாம் அளந்து காமிக்க மாட்டாங்க இதெல்லாம்
10 inch PVC pipe.
First length is going on.
They will erect 7 inch MS pipe till the rock level. Then they will start with the 6.5 inch drilling. That 6.5 inch drilling they will do servicing first. After servicing, try to insert the bit. Work is going on, progress not bad with risk. In the borewell work we cannot do any challenging, but we'll do our effort. We stop first day job again the next day. Always any job will start with puja is nice. Party waited, they didn't come, so I started my puja. Then party also come and do their puja. If you finish single day, you cannot find out the storage. For this party they have luck. They stop the work half of the job. Next day after puja they started. If there is water in the borewell like this will come. There is no water in the borewell, water won't come. Please try to understand this useful message for everyone. Then after you do the drilling, then the dry powder will come, then the wet powder will come. Suddenly we stopped on half an hour gap. We tested whether any the water will comes or not. So again always I am using milk supplying to the borewell. on cleaning time. Wherever in borewell any works, it work out for me. Everyone they'll do their own ideas.
இதுக்கு
I am
மேலே ஊற்றுங்க.
applying milk to the
அவ்வளோதான்.
puja time. Then try to start again the work. Powder came. Then try to calculate powder. Then fill what came. So this is proof of water in the borewell. Not more, that I will agree. Half an inch to 1 inch water will be there. Always be happy about less water comes. I am mentioning so many times. More water, less life. Less water, more life. This is red stones. This is the final puja we did. Just see the full video. You understand what you are understanding. Okay, I will stop my explanation. Okay, the live video I given full explanation. Okay, you yourself get the details through the video. All is well. All is well. We will meet in next video very soon. After one day over, this is the scene of site. I came to the site. I prayed to the Gangamma temple. I am expecting 500 feet water level has to come, then they can use house purpose this borewell water. All is well, all is well, all up to God. After 4 days, miracle of God, something happened, unexpected thing. The borewell camera person came. He is my motor erection person, Mr. Anand. The camera scanning result is water level is 30 feet. More than 3 sources, all little gaps. Borewell end is 1030 feet. This all is happen. Parties Hanebara is good. God blessing is more. That's why.
30 feet ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಪ್ಪ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಲೋ